Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox device memory low. First, ensure no other applications are running in the background. Swipe them away on mobile or close them via Task Manager on PC. Next, a simple device restart can often resolve temporary memory issues. If problems persist, consider reinstalling Roblox to clear its cache and any corrupted files. Finally, check your device storage. Having at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space is beneficial for smooth performance. Optimizing in-game graphics is a crucial step. While playing, tap the Roblox icon in the upper left corner to open the menu, then select Settings. Locate the Graphics Mode option and change it from Automatic to Manual. This allows you to adjust the graphics quality slider. Move it to the left to decrease the quality, which significantly reduces the memory required, improving your game's performance and stability. Beyond in-game settings, system-level optimizations can make a big difference. Disable any non-essential background applications and notifications to free up valuable memory. Always keep your operating system and graphics drivers updated for optimal performance. On Windows, enabling game mode can prioritize Roblox's access to system resources. For advanced users, setting Roblox's process priority to high in Task Manager can further allocate more CPU and RAM to the game. For persistent issues, consider joining less crowded game servers, as fewer players mean less data to process. If you play on a computer, disable any non-essential browser plugins or extensions that might consume memory. For game creators, optimizing assets, textures, and scripts is vital to reduce memory footprint for all players. Lastly, make it a habit to restart your device regularly. This simple action helps clear temporary files and keeps your system running smoothly, preventing memory accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.